Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new changes that are coming soon to the Etsy stats. And this is due to the fact that Etsy did changes to the Etsy ads, which is when they combine promoted listings with Google Shopping ads. So this was one of the questions that I had was, how are we going to determine where our traffic source is coming from when we do promoted listings on Etsy? So with the new changes, this is going to answer our questions. Guys, if you want to learn more about the new Etsy stats, make sure that you watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. So in the previous or current, because it hasn't changed yet, in the current traffic sources section, it shows you how buyers are finding your shop. And due to the new Etsy ad changes, they're going to be adding some additional traffic sources into the actual Etsy stats. So previously, before, or currently, because they haven't made the new changes yet, we are able to track our traffic from direct, social media, Etsy, other, and external search. Now, with the new changes that are rolling in, we are going to be able to see our traffic sources from other Etsy pages, other, social media, Etsy search, external search, Google Shopping, and promoted listing. So as you can see, there's a couple additional ones. Now, I will leave the link below in the text box description if you want to read more about the different traffic sources and what each of them mean. And then I'm going to just talk about the ones that are the most important right now, which is the Google Shopping, the promoted listing, and the Etsy search, which are the three top ones. Now, the Etsy search is like organic traffic. How do people find you? How many people through organic traffic? How many people visited your store? The Google Shopping will show you how many people found you through Google Shopping. And promoted listing is going to show you how many people found you and drove traffic to your store from promoted listings. As you guys know, when they combined the promoted listing and the Google Shopping ads, one of the biggest questions that we all had, many people talked about it in my Facebook group, many people left comments, I saw it in forums, I saw it everywhere. The major question was, how are we going to determine where our traffic source is coming from? Is it coming more from Google Shopping ads? Is it coming from promoted listings? And in the new platform, when you run an Etsy ad, it really doesn't give you that information. It doesn't break down the information. So for me, that was one of the biggest questions, along with how much are they going to cost? How much is the cost per click for terms or for my listings are going to be? Those were the two questions. Now, the cost per click or how much they're going to spend, they haven't really, mentioned how that's going to be. They just said it's based on how much you want to spend per day, but they don't tell you how much, each listing will be. However, this is a new improvement, I guess, to the new changes. I'm happy that at least I'm able to see where my traffic sources are coming from. And I just wanted to bring this to everyone's attention in case you haven't noticed the new changes or you haven't read an article on it or you haven't been notified. I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention. Make sure that you leave a comment below. Let me know about the new changes, how you feel about them, how you feel about the new Etsy stats. I personally think the new Etsy stats are really good. They should have done this a long time ago. They should have added the promoted listing separate. They should have added the Google Shopping. This should have been running like this a long time, even before the new Etsy stats, because this is actually a better metric of where your traffic is coming from. And if you're able to pinpoint where your traffic is coming from and you are still using the old Etsy ads, then you're able to, until they move us, right, automatically or force us to move. I did one of my stores that did change it to the new platform for Etsy ads. However, this is a good advantage for people that haven't switched over yet. because you're going to be able to see where your traffic is coming from, if you're driving more traffic from Google Shopping or if you're driving more traffic from promoted listings. And if you see a significant change and a lot of your traffic is Google Shopping, then you might want to turn off your promoted listing and just focus on Google Shopping, or vice versa. You might want to turn off Google Shopping and just focus on promoted listings. So when you look at it in that sense, it actually is a great idea to add these metrics in there. I don't know why they never did it before. I don't know if just Etsy just kind of growing. They're pretty new to the platform still, compared to other larger e-commerce platforms. So they're still adapting and trying to add new things every single time. But I do like the new changes. I just hope that additional changes will come in, which will give you a breakdown of how much you're spending. And hopefully in the future, go back the old way where you could control where you put more money at and how much money you want to spend. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the new changes. Thank you guys for watching.